In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Split screen is one of my favorite features to multitask, and it's super easy to enter because all you need to do is access any app you want to use and launch it in the background to click on the icon of it available at the top. Now when you see this pop-up, select Open in split screen view and tap on the second one. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, you can either go back into background apps and swipe your apps like that to get rid of both of them, or if you want to leave one open and close the other one, you can hold those three dots in the middle and drag one of your apps all the way to the side. Then tap on Home button if you want to close the remaining one. Using the same three dots though, you can also resize one of your apps, or by tapping on the same dots, pick one of those options. To change orientation of your split screen, click on the first one. To switch places of your apps, tap on those two arrows. And my personal favorite, in order to save this split screen combination, tap on star icon. Decide where you wish to add app bar, taskbar, home screen or apps edge panel, in my case home screen. And now when you close your split screen view completely and want to go back to the same apps combination, just look for a shortcut of it available on your screen and use it right away. To delete the shortcut, hold it and tap on Remove option. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!